Have you ever wondered if it's possible to actually improve your intelligence? Many people believe IQ is fixed, but research suggests that with the right strategies, you can train your brain to be sharper, quicker, and more efficient. Whether you want to perform better in studies, make better decisions, or simply have a sharper memory, improving your brain power is achievable. In this video, we'll cover 5 powerful and simple ways to enhance your intelligence and boost your IQ naturally. Engage in lifelong learning. Your brain is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Learning new things challenges the brain and enhances neural connections, leading to better cognitive abilities. Studies show that people who continuously learn new skills, read books, or take up challenges tend to have higher IQ levels and improved memory retention. A simple way to start is by reading daily, solving puzzles, or learning a new skill like a musical instrument, a new language, or even coding. These activities stimulate brain plasticity, allowing the brain to rewire itself for improved thinking. The key is consistency. Learning something new every day keeps your brain sharp and adaptable. Prioritize sleep and rest. Lack of sleep can significantly impact your cognitive performance, memory retention, and problem-solving abilities. Sleep is when the brain processes information, consolidates memories, and detoxifies itself from stress-related chemicals. Research has shown that people who get enough quality sleep perform better on intelligence tests than those who don't. To improve your IQ, aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. Stick to a regular sleep schedule, avoid screen time before bed, and create a comfortable sleeping environment. If you struggle with sleep, try meditation, deep breathing, or avoiding caffeine late in the day. When you wake up well rested, your brain will function at its best, helping you think faster, remember more, and make better decisions. Exercise regularly. Physical exercise is not just good for your body, it's one of the most effective ways to boost brain power. When you exercise, your brain receives more oxygen and nutrients, leading to improved memory, faster thinking, and increased problem-solving skills. Aerobic exercises like running, swimming, cycling, or even daily brisk walking stimulate the growth of new neurons and enhance brain function. Strength training and yoga can also improve mental clarity, focus, and emotional stability. Exercise also releases dopamine and serotonin, which reduce stress and make it easier to concentrate and learn. The best part? You don't need hours of intense workouts, just 30 minutes a day of physical activity can improve your IQ and mental sharpness. Train your brain with mental exercises. Just as your body needs exercise, your brain thrives on mental challenges. Activities that require problem-solving, logical thinking, and creativity boost neural pathways, improve cognitive function, and increase intelligence levels. Try incorporating activities like heavy checkmark solving puzzles, crosswords, Sudoku, chess. Heavy checkmark playing memory-based games. Heavy checkmark learning and practicing mental math. Heavy checkmark reading thought-provoking books. Heavy checkmark engaging in deep conversations and debates. Even something as simple as using your non-dominant hand to write or brush your teeth can activate new brain pathways. The more you push your brain beyond its comfort zone, the more adaptable and intelligent it becomes. Improve your diet for brain health. Your brain needs proper nutrition to function optimally. A diet rich in brain-boosting foods can significantly enhance memory, focus, and overall intelligence. Certain nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins are crucial for brain health. The best foods for brain power: heavy checkmark fatty fish, salmon, tuna, sardines, rich in omega-3s that improve memory and thinking ability. Heavy checkmark nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, contain vitamin E, which supports brain health. Heavy checkmark berries, blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, packed with antioxidants that prevent cognitive decline. Heavy checkmark dark chocolate increases blood flow to the brain, improving focus. Heavy checkmark green leafy vegetables, spinach, kale, broccoli, high in vitamins that protect brain cells. Cutting down on processed foods, excessive sugar, and unhealthy fats can prevent brain fog and sluggish thinking. Stay hydrated. Eat well and fuel your brain with the right nutrients for maximum intelligence.